Hi everyone, this is Abbas from Lead Training Center Bandra, and in today's topic we're going to discuss about pivot table in Excel. So let's look at few features which are part of the pivot table. One is it quickly helps to summarize the data. So if you have huge data, it quickly helps to summarize that. It's easy to use. It easily able to switch across rows and columns in the table of the provided pivot table, and it provides filters on the summarized data. So let's look at an example of pivot table now. So as you can see over here, we have a sheet, an inventory sheet over here, which is having the various items arranged, and these items are arranged on a particular rack, and on each rack for the different sizes I have different quantities. So I want to achieve is for each rack number how much is the total quantity that is there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the total selection of the data. Then after doing that, I'm going to go to the insert option, go to tables, pivot table, and as soon as I do that, I get the range over here which I selected, and also it's asking me for a new worksheet. So I just click on OK over here now. Now this gives me a new pivot table, and here I can see the columns which are selected over here as fields. So I select the rack number over here. So the rack number appears over here as a unique list. Then I select the quantity, which so automatically a summation of the quantity is done. We can change the summation to something else also. And the last thing over here is the category. So I want to select the category and put it in columns over here. So basically it's my choice. I can put certain fields in the columns, certain fields in the rows, and you can see over here now I have a distribution of the products which is there category wise on various different racks, and at the bottom I can also see the total quantity. So this is really quick for me, and it helps me to get the different data. Now if you look over here, I can also filter over here the data. So it has filters like a normal Excel filter. So if I want to just filter on few items, I can do that over here. That's also possible. So it gives me a summation only for these two items, and then I can remove this particular filter. Okay, so clear filter, and I get it for all the items. We can also select these particular cells, and we can copy it into another sheet without any problems, so that we don't carry this pivot table with us. That is also possible. Okay, so thank you for watching this particular video, and if you'd like to have any further queries, please contact us. So our address is mentioned over here in this particular slide, and our contact number is mentioned over here. Thank you very much.